The walking meditations were a new thing for me. I'd never done walking meditations before, and so the first time I got into my space, into my heart space, it was full of love and joy and happiness, and it was great. But it was a different experience, and it set off my day really nicely. But the next day, when I did the 4 pathways, the 4 different types of meditation, and you do the breath at the beginning, there was an amazing way. I love the breath work, it's incredible. And so I did the breath work, and I really went for it with everything that I was just there and present, and it was incredible. And then I started walking, and I was so, I was so in love with who I was becoming, my visions of the future, and I was tears on my face and joy and happiness, massive smile. And but really the profound thing that happened to me was when the 3rd time you stop, before you lay down, you are told by Dr. Joe to connect yourself back to the earth and back to the cosmos without doing the breath. And I do this all the time anyway, but when I did it this time, it was like the breath caught up with me in my timeline, and Mother Earth and the cosmos both collapsed upon my heart, and it was amazing. It was like being hugged by the universe. It was incredible. I was surrounded by soft particles, I suppose, but it was like being hugged in a blanket, and it was incredible. And it was really nice to know that sometimes the breath work that you do, even though it may not have an effect right then and there, it has an effect that may catch up with you in the future. And it was a very nice moment for me, because I had had my first experience of the Kundalini, the progressive, but this one hadn't really happened for me. And to have that and know that just the work that you're doing, it makes a difference for you in your future, even if it may not be happening right now. And it was a beautiful experience.